Hello friends, welcome in 𝗭𝗡𝗩𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗠𝗘𝗡𝗧 YouTube channels. So we are going to discuss today about one of the best and unique project. Its name is Unicoin, and its public launch is going on 28th September 2026, and still we have 74 days. And most of the people ask me, sir, how we can earn without investing anything. So this is one of the best project, and still you have 74 days, and you can check out that they have done so much branding on this project. And you can see this is the leading cryptocurrency brand, and it is founded by 𝗥𝗜𝗦𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗠𝗘𝗡𝗧 and Sylvana Moschini. You can see the picture. So this is the Unicoin ERC standard contract address, and this is the ticker, this is the name, and this is the network. So it is going to launch on Ethereum blockchain. Okay, and you can read about this project. If you can see, this is War on Crypto, and it is written by the CEO of this project Unicoin, and it is available on Amazon also. So you can see that in earlier they have raised 100 million in pre-ICO and 3 billion of real assets already swapped with the Unicoin through the agreements. Okay, so this is the intro of the project. So now we are going to discuss about that how we can earn Unicoin without any single investment. So they have launched a product, and the new product is SafeBets.world. If you want to join, you will get my invite link in my video description as well in comment. Okay, so why SafeBet? Because if you see that right now the prediction market is in boom, and you can compare with the poly market and Kalsi. So despite lots of restrictions, they got a huge amount of funding. But here, this project Unicoin, they have they are going to build SafeBets, and they are taking all necessary steps, so there will be no problem with the SEC sex. Okay, so this is, you can see, this is the Transparent Business Inc. This is the name of the company, and another company is the SafeBets.world. So how we can earn free of cost? So let me show you. So friend, this is the site. You can check out that win with no risk. So World Cup is going on. You can predict also here, or you can predict in the cryptocurrency also. So I will show you that how easily you can earn the free Unicoin tokens. Okay, so this is the site, so you can check out the all the things. Okay, let me first you can see here, you can do the prediction in all assets like BTC, Ethereum, Solana, XU and DAOs. I will show you live how we can predict. So let me first register. I have already registered here. Okay, let me first log in this site, so I can show you that how to do the prediction and how we can earn easily free Unicoin. So friend, here I have given my email ID, and now I will check my email ID and I will look for the code. So immediately you will get the code. You can see this is my code. So if you are registering first time, so also you will get this kind of code. Okay, so let me paste the code and verify the code, and you can check out that right now we are in SafeBet dashboard. So let me allow it. Okay, cancel. So let me show you that this is my total earning here, that is 12,850 token I have already collected via the prediction, and it is completely free of cost. Okay, so here let me show you in proper way. So my UI interface, I will make it larger so you can read it everything. So you can see that when you registered in this site, you get the 100 U point, and if you do any one prediction, so also you get the referral bonus, that is the 150 U point you get here. And what you can do, you can use that point to predict the market. Okay, this is the point. And if you will suppose I have 7256 that I collected via the referrals, because I have brought the lots of people here, made my team. So, and I use it to predict the market, and here I got the token as a reward. So if I will click here, you can see this is the prediction, make your prediction. So here you will find BTC, Ethereum, Solana, and so here what you have to do, friend, you will get the 20 time frame, 24 hours, 7 days, 14 days and 30 days. And I will suggest you that every day you must have to predict that what will be the price after 24 days or 24 hours or 7 days or 14 days or 30 days. So it is very easy. Actually I have already predicted in the all the assets. So you can check out and you can do the prediction here. Okay, and you can see this is my winning ratio, and I have not invested a single money on this project. Okay, so you can see my winning ratio and best trick. So these are my current prediction. You can see that after 29 days I will get the reward for this. Okay, so this way, friend, this is the history, current prediction, and this is the past predictions. So here I got the reward. You can see this is the real uh, Unicoin tokens. So you can see the accuracy should match. You can see predicted 7 days back I predicted 0.724, and right now actual is the 0.07379 in Dogecoin. So it is just near of our prediction. So you can see this kind of reward you will get. I will show you that whatever reward I have collected here. So if you will keep consistency here, definitely you will get lots of reward here. So these are my rewards. You can see that here yesterday I got the 1000 UI, and actually 30 days back I have predicted here. You can see this is the 30 days back I have predicted 75, and right now it is 78.4. So I got the 1000 U token. So this is the maximum reward, and in 30 days. So this way you can see this is the Bitcoin, and this is also the 30 days, but here I got 400 because the gap was higher side, so I got the 400. So this way, friend, you can check out that all rewards 7 days, 30 days. You can see this is the 14 days rewards, because in 14 days back I have predicted this, and just it is the just nearest. So here I got the bullseye. So it is very simple, friend. You just have to invite your family, friends, and even you don't invite, you also get the 100 point, and you can use it to predict the market. every prediction take 1 point. Okay, so this is a simplest platform, and here there is no requirement of investment. Here you can check out your prediction dashboard, your referrals. If I will show you my referrals, so this is my link, and you can see you earn 100 point on per qualified referrals, and when they qualify, when they do any one single prediction. Okay, so this is the way you can see that 77 is qualified and 11 is still under progress. That means they have not predicted yet. So here I am making a worldwide team on this project because it is completely free. And here you can see that Unicoin claim will be open on Q4 2026 because the public launch is on 20th September. So this is the best opportunity, friend. You can collect the maximum Unicoin tokens, and this is the past history, that whatever I won or lost, and this is the active. That means that these prediction is going to result will come soon. Also, if you will click on the sports, let me show you this. If you click on the sport button, and here the World Cup is going on, and recently 3 people got the $10,000 plus 5 lakh to 10 lakh Unicoin tokens. So here you can see I tried everything, but I could not win here, but you can also try, and it takes only, you know, 3 or 5 4 points, 3 4 or 5 points. It will take 3 points, it will take 4 points, and it will take 5 points. So if you win here, so this kind of rewards you will get. Okay, so this is the prize pool, so you can, they will split the with the winners, and also you will get here some USDT as a reward. So friend, this is all about the project, and you can check out everything. It is available here. So if you have not joined, you must join this project. Okay, and let me show you other things. And remember this, if you want, you can see this is the unlock, choose environment, earn and rise and travel. Now this is the prediction. I want to show you another thing, so you can see the comparison, because this is the most important. They have compared with the poly market and the calci. Okay, so these product already, ban in 33 plus countries. Legal exposure, DOG. Here you can see calci, they have also banned, 52 bans they have received, and criminal charges already there. But in SafeBet there is no exposure, no risk. So this is all about this project. And 1 trillion, you can see that 1 trillion is, market. So this is all about the prediction without a single investment. Okay, so you can see these all important, key members. You can watch the videos about this, you can read the articles. Okay, so you can see accuracy ranks. So these are the ranks, and I think okay, this is the accuracy rank. Okay, right now I am in prediction. Right now my rank is the predictor. Also, if you want to invest, so they have, you can buy their token also, because they are also launching SafeBet their own tokens. So you can, if you click on the invest, if you want to invest, so, but keep in mind that there is no guarantee, but just I am showing that you can see if you from the USA you can buy here. If you are from outside, you can click here and you can fill all the details. Okay, and you can see this way you can invest, and you can read about private placement memorandum, and I think their price is 0.025 cent. So you can check out this also, friend. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can see funding roadmap 2 billion. They have the path, and they have, I think earlier the price was 10 cents on the seed round on April, and now it will, the second expansion will come October to December, sorry, May to September. So May to September, right now the price is going on 25 cent, and this way you can see that till 2028 these are the price, and these are the, you can see Alex 𝗭𝗘𝗦𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗠, founder and CEO, Zina Antonello, executive director. You can find out the all details here, and he is 𝗭𝗘𝗥𝗢. You can read about, he is the key member. You can see he is the founding father of blockchains. So this is very huge, strong team. So here you can contact, if you want to contact them, you can contact via here. So this video, I hope everyone will be understand, and it will be helpful for you. You can read everything here, and I have told you everything. If you want to earn without any investment, you can join today. So friend, thank you so much. Take care. Love you.